everyone, this is Cindy with Queen of the Heart, and since I was working with the Stamp Market products, I decided to pull something out that I can't remember if I even used this yet. I know I used the cooling rack a handful of times, but the donuts one I had not used. I'll be honest, I really like the donut products from Tailored Expressions better, but if you're looking for sort of an economical kind of choice, this one's definitely cheaper, I think. And then you get this little, the little dies, right? So, and the cooling rack, I think, is a very versatile stamp set. Hopefully they still sell it, because with all the cookie things that have been coming out, I know the Greeting Farm has some cookie things, and I mean, I think all the stamp companies have cookie oriented stamps. So I think the cooling rack is pretty awesome, because I don't know that I've seen, I mean, maybe the Greeting Farm has got something like a cooling rack, but I know Mama Elephant's got like some of them have just like a cookie sheet, but I don't know if I've seen a cooling rack. So this is kind of a cool stamp set, and it'll go with a lot of things that you have. I just made 2 cards. So here's this one, a very simple card. This is "Thanks a whole bunch, you sweet thing." And so this one, this is actually scraps from a wedding paper from Echo Park. I mostly just use the dies, and I use I did use the sentiment or the stamps just on this portion, kind of the icing portion of the donut. And I covered the icing in glossy accents. So it has more of an icing look. I don't know if you can tell, but it has an icing kind of look. And then I did put a bunch of enamel dots on there that I have in my stash. And then the next one, I used mostly the stamp. Actually, I used the stamps and the dies and I colored in a lot of my donuts. And I also went through and I did the glossy accents on all the icings of every single donut. And this Sprinkle Kindness, I actually had it as a leftover from the donut sentiment strips from Tailored Expressions. And it just kind of gave it that pop of color it kind of needed. And what I did with the cooling rack is I stamped it and I heat embossed it in silver, so it has more of a cooling rack look. But I mean, you could do it in gold. I happen to have a silver cooling rack, so that's kind of what it reminded me of. And then I just put all of my donuts on there, and so there you go. So simple and easy. And I hope you like the projects that I've shared with you with the Stamp Market. Thank you for watching. This is Cindy with Queen of the Heart.